In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips that helped me secure a distinction for my dissertation. Let's go. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Ron, and if you're new to this channel, I make videos around tech, productivity, finance and business. So if this is something that excites you, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button, as it will help YouTube to recommend my videos to other users as well. So it is a time of the year where every student is stressing about one thing, and that one thing is the largest piece of assignment that we are given during our undergraduate and our postgraduate degrees, which is called the dissertation. Now, as scary as it may sound, I've personally done 2 dissertations over the last 5 years. I did one of my dissertations for my undergraduate degree and my other dissertation for my postgraduate degree. And I know dissertations can be overwhelming for a lot of students, and that is exactly the reason why I'm here today. So if you're still stressed about how you would be doing your dissertation, let me put that stress off your shoulders by sharing 3 tips that I personally use that helped me secure a distinction for my dissertation, and something that would also help you secure a distinction for your dissertation as well. So let's get straight to it. So the first thing you need to keep in mind when you are writing your dissertation is the topic. The topic is the most important thing that you guys need to consider when writing your dissertation. Make sure that you guys are able to pick a topic that you are either really passionate about, or something you're really curious about, or something that you genuinely want to write about. Because believe it or not, you'll be spending 5 to 6 months reading relevant literature and business researches around that specific topic. So make sure that you're picking a topic that you're really passionate about, curious about, or just really want to write about. Now, at this stage, a lot of people would be confused as to what dissertation topic they should be writing about. Now, there are 2 things you should consider before choosing a topic for your dissertation. The first thing you should consider is to either pick a topic which already exists and to improve on that topic, or to improve the model, or to come up with better findings. To give you an example, for my master's dissertation, I decided to do a topic around recommendation systems. And the question that I wanted to answer was to evaluate a recommendation system model using a movies dataset. Now, if you go on Google, there are a ton of documents and a ton of research around recommendation systems. Now, my main goal was to reduce the error rate and to improve the existing recommendation model. So that's one way of looking or choosing a topic for your dissertation. The second thing is to choose a topic which does not exist and which is unique and which is something you are really passionate about writing and something you really want to explore. The only drawback to something like this is that there is not enough literature around which will help you answer that question. To give you an example, for my undergraduate degree, I decided to write a dissertation on the impacts of financial technologies on financial services. Back in 2017 and 2016, there were not enough relevant literature around financial technologies. So in that case, what I had to do was to conduct primary research, and I had to do a lot of telephone interviews and face-to-face interviews to gather all the data and all the insights in order to present my findings in that dissertation. So these are 2 approaches you can take when choosing your dissertation topic. Now, the second tip that I would like to give you guys is to create sub-questions. Now, what do I mean by this? Now that you've decided what dissertation topic you're going to write on and you have finally formulated a question, it's very important for you to come up with various sub-questions. Now, to give you an example, when I did my dissertation on recommendation systems, my main topic question was to evaluate a recommendation system model using a movies dataset. Now, the different type of sub-questions that I came up with was, what are recommendation systems? Why do we need recommendation systems? What is the math behind recommendation system? What is content-based filtering? What is collaborative filtering? And all these sub-questions helped me answer my main question. Another thing that you guys should keep in mind is that when you come up with the 6 or 7 sub-questions, these sub-questions effectively become your sub-chapters for your dissertation. And you can use this as part of your dissertation to answer the main question. So this is the second tip that I would like to give you, is to make sub-questions from your main questions, which will help you effectively answer your dissertation question. Now, the final piece of advice that I want to give you guys is time management. Time management is very important when it comes to writing a dissertation. You have a limited number of months or limited number of words that you have to get through, and therefore it is very important for you to create a timeline where you can set out goals and you can say, I want to achieve a certain amount of word limits, or I want to achieve a certain amount of chapter done by this certain time in the near future. Now, a lot of you would be wondering that how do you manage time? Well, let me give you guys an example. Let's say you have 6 months to write a 10,000 piece dissertation, and assuming you take a month to read through all the relevant literature and all the research paper, now you're left with 5 months. Now, if I did my maths right, that means you have 5 months to write 10,000 words, which means every month you would need to do at least 2,000 words. And if you're doing 2,000 words a month, that means you're doing around 500 words every week. See, easy, right? It does not sound that bad. So time management will help you take some pressure off your chest. Once you start cutting down and start creating a timeline of achieving that specific word limit or achieving that specific chapter done during a certain time, it would help you be more effective, more productive, and it will help you finish your dissertation on time. So make sure whatever timeline you guys have, whether it's 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, 6 months, 4 months, whatever time frames you guys have, use that, see how many word limits you guys have, and just manage your time more effectively. So these are the 3 most important things that I used when writing my dissertation, which helped me secure a distinction both in my undergraduate degree and also in my postgraduate degree. So I hope you can take something of value from this video, and I hope this video helped you guys. Also, if you guys are interested to learn about data analytics, I've got an entire playlist over here which talks about data analytics. Or if you guys want to learn about Python and a bit of web scraping, then I've got a video for that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep learning and keep sharing. Bye.